Hello friends, my name is Irfan Kauchali. I'm business coach, growth hacker, sales trainer, international motivational speaker, and your friend. Email etiquette episode number 4. Templates by definition may mean a pre-developed page layout in electronic or paper media used to make new pages with a similar design, pattern, style, or content. The email templates save time while standardizing the communication that is sent to the users. These templates are ready-made designs that can be used as a basis for fast and high-quality communication. The email templates are customizable and can provide value to the end user. On the following pages, there are reference templates commonly used in discussion with colleagues, vendors, and seniors. These templates are strictly for references only. Issuing instruction. Subject: safety kit to be made available at site. Dear John, it was brought to our notice about the kit required for the safety of the visitors who are intending to document certain processes of our turbines at the Ram Ratan site. I request you to take care of few things before anyone is allowed in the site area. The people visiting have to be given the following: safety helmet, safety shoes. The safety drill for the visitors have to be done, and the site manager in charge has to be informed about the completion of the drill. The safety manager has to be with the visitor during all the time the visitor are at the site area. Please note that any eventuality at the site will be dealt with very seriously, as the safety of our workforce and the visitors cannot be taken lightly. If anybody notices any discrepancy in following this rule, you may please feel free to contact Mr. Jim Terry, the safety in charge at the rate xyz at the rate company.com. Best regards, Anthony. Seeking clarification. Subject: seeking clarification. Dear Thomas, with reference to your mail on purchase of cement required for civil work at Hybrid and Wind Park, I seek some clarification about the specification of the send material. I would like to know grade of cement to be procured, quantity required for civil work, the location at which the material is to be delivered. I want to bring to your notice that we have some stock of the certain grades of cement available in our inventory. I am sharing the list of the same as an attachment with you. Kindly confirm if any of the materials available suits the requirement. Best regards, Steve Taylor. Intimating intentions. Subject: invitation to be a part of a cross-functional team. Dear Mr. Shen, this is to bring to your kind notice need for a cross-functional CFT for the purpose of disseminating the value of the company to the rank and flies of Skirian. The HR team has nominated you to be a part of this cross-functional team to highlight the specific value-based action in your BU. We request you to be the interface between the HR team and the workforce in your BU in order to bring about a certain measurable change in the culture of the people. We are proposing a basic questionnaire for the workforce which will help us track the evident changes in the attitude of people over a period of time. The HR team wishes to thank you in anticipation to be a part of the CFT. You will be further provided with a welcome kit to acquaint yourself better with the process. Best regards, Leo. Convening an agenda. Subject: Q2 performance evaluating meeting. Dear everyone, this is to bring to your kind notice that a meeting has been called for evaluating the performance of the second quarter. We will be having a meeting next Friday from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. in a conference room. Second, apart from the evaluation, the vertical heads will also share with everyone about the proceedings of Connect 09 conference that happened on last Saturday at One Earth. All the team members are expected to attend. Thank you, Mary Santos. Meeting location: conference number 2, date Friday, May 5th, time 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. for all team members. Subject: Connect 09. Attendance is mandatory. Conveying an agenda follow-up. Subject: minutes of the monthly review meeting held on 5th July 2009. Dear all, please find attached the minutes of the monthly review meeting held on the 5th July 2009. The executive summary of the meeting is appended here with action points. Point discussion, task, responsibility, and timeline. Note: all other ongoing assignments to be completed and reported as per the pre-decided schedule. Best regard, Neil Sersen. Inviting partnership. Subject, soliciting support for making a learning module on S789 commissioning process. Dear Charles, greetings. We propose to make an AV model on the commissioning process of S78988 WTG. This comes in the wake of the strategic decision to standardize the commissioning process of ACE88 WTG across all geographies. We request Retamec to partner with us in making this model. We require support on the following lines: subject matter expertise, suitable location to video document the process, safety personnel to guide the unit. We have been given to understand that few machines are getting commissioned in the second week of October. Please let us know the feasibility to capture the process during that period. Looking forward to your reply in affirmation. Warm regards, Timothy. Giving feedback. Subject, feedback on a proposal submitted. Dear Mr. Khan, thank you for submitting your proposal for development of e-learning module on ONM of our WTG. Your proposal was assessed by a panel of experts. We would like to bring to your notice our findings about the same. Positives, your experience in the field is an advantage for us. Available expertise, namely the team. Concern, the timeline shared is beyond our expectation. We need to roll out the module by 25th itself. Cost is as per the current market rates, but looking at the scope of the project, we would like to negotiate. Our recommendations, we would like to propose sharing the subject matter expertise from our end to help reduce the cost as well as the timeline. Let us meet on Saturday, 12 September 2009, preferably first half, to finalize the way forward. Please confirm your availability. Best regards, Krishnamurthy S. Seeking approval. Subject, request for leave of absence. Dear sir, I am requesting for leave of absence from June 27, 2006 to July 8, 2006 for the following reason. My physician has recommended that I refrain from working during this period in order that I regain my health by taking good rest. Please find attached the doctor's recommendation for your perusal. While I was hoping to work longer than he suggested, I feel that I should defer to his judgment during my absence. Isabel will be taking care of my responsibilities at work. Sincerely, Kavita Iyer. Customer communication. Thank you for your sincere comment. Dear Mr. Zhang, thank you for your sincere comments on the performance of our products. As you may know, so few people take the time to let a manufacturer know when they are satisfied with a product. Our product is reliable and we excel in end-to-end solution catering to its installation, commissioning and maintenance. Needless to say, we had been pleased to take our services a step further and keep the product well taken care of. Don't be surprised if you get a few thank you mails from the key employees, as they pride themselves in the quality of their work and love to hear from our family of customers. Best regards, Venkal. Vendor communication. Subject, requesting information about translation services. Dear Mr. Martinez, we are currently developing our sales literature and websites and are interested in translating this into 5 international languages apart from English. I would be grateful if you could send us your brochure and price list about your translation services. I look forward to hear from you. Yours faithfully, Ricardo Lopez, Marketing Manager. Raising a concern. Subject, request for extension of time on promissory note. Dear Mr. Jones, according to the terms and conditions of the promissory note which I have signed, I am obliged to pay the amount of $5,000 on June 15, 2009. I have been informed that the funds which were to be paid to me prior to the due date on the note have been delayed. Needless to say, this comes as a great disappointment to me. I have been assured, however, that this funds will be in my possession by July 7, 2009. I'm requesting you to extend the due date on the promissory note for a period of 1 month, and for just consideration for the said extension be suggested by you. I'm looking forward for your early response. Sincerely, Andrew Samuel. Announcing a formal program. First initiative. Dear all, today, thanks to you, Suzlon is the 5th largest wind turbine manufacturer in the world, and we continue to grow to higher levels of excellence. Our vision for Suzlon is to make our customers happy and to be a consistent, profitable winner in the market. But our profitability has a lot of scope to improve. Our performance has to be more customer centric and costs have to be tightly reined in. To be number one, there are some things we have to be accomplished. Our customers must be our top priority. Improve products performance and sales realization. Remove inefficiency in our value chain. Announcing a formal program. Subject, first initiative. So we are rolling out first fundamental initiative resulting in structural transformation. Here is what you have to do to contribute. Deliver on your commitment. Accept and adopt to changes in policy, structure and workflows. Act on your responsibilities. Work on one team as one Suzlon. You will hear more about this program and specific initiative during the coming weeks. Best regards, Brad Miller. Putting up a business case. Subject, request for offer travel for documentation of S88 learning module. Dear Sion, my meeting with Mr. Roderick regarding the documentation of the S88WTG learning module concluded with a couple of decisions that were mutually agreed upon. Our team to go ahead with the production of commissioning AV module in China. The revised cost and the support documents to be forwarded to you and Mr. Roderick's. Putting up a business case. Subject, request of travel for documentation of S88 learning module. Further to that, I am attaching here with in MS Word the estimated cost of travel to STXL Wind Park, China for video documenting the troubleshooting process of S88WTG. The team visiting the location comprised of 3 people. They will be at the location for 5 to 6 days depending on the wind speed at the location. The travel to and fro and they stay the units is billed to the customer of the module. The local travel of the unit will be also taken care by the customer. I'm attaching the itinerary of the team's travel in MS Word document for your kind reference. Please make the necessary arrangements and booking for the travel and stay of the unit. Please feel free to contact me if you have any query. Best regards. Yeah. Feedback and suggestion. Please address all your queries or suggestions to info@udyogguru.in. Thank you so much. Please like, share and comment and subscribe my channel, Irfan Kauchali. Once again, thank you so much.